my husband and I are going to be looking at this heavy-duty platform truck from VEVOR. In this video, we're going to show you what comes in the box, demo it for you, and give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video
are our own. Good core strength workout.
It can hold up to 2,000 pounds, which he's not close to 2,000 pounds. However, it rolls really smoothly, even with a human on it. In the box, you're going to have the instruction manual. You're going to have some bungees. This is really nice. This will help to secure any loads that you put on the cart. You're going to have hardware in here. I believe this is where we're going to find the casters. And then you're going to have the cart as well as the handle. This is going to require some assembly. We're going to need to remove all of these bolts so that we can put the casters on. These casters are extremely heavy. 2 of them are locking and 2 of them are not locking.
If you don't want the wheel to spin, they got a real unique braking system on and off. I like that a lot. Now it doesn't spin. Now it does. You're going to need 2 wrenches, a 14 and an 18.
The handle can go on either side. There are actually 4 holes, so you can put the handle on whichever side you want. The swivel wheels with the brakes are going to go on the side where you have the handle, so keep that in mind.
So it does come with great, good, heavy-duty bolts and a locking washer that I just dropped and rolls around real good to keep them locked in place. It does have a capacity to handle up to 2,000 pounds.
Now you're going to tip it over once all of those bolts are tight. Flip it all the way around. Then you're going to put the big beefy bolts into the bottom and tighten them down. These bolts are the ones that take the larger ratcheting wrench. We're going to be doing tile pretty soon, so this is going to come in handy not only to bring the tile into the house, but also to move stuff around that's already on the floor.
Now I don't got to carry it.
If you're looking for a heavy-duty cart to move things around, this one from VEVOR is a fantastic option.